Hi guys, this is Cheryl St.Pierre, and I just wanted to give you an update of what's been going on, as well as introducing some changes that I am making to the channel, and hopefully you will love them. Okay, so the first thing is I haven't been around a lot because I've been having a lot of health issues. It's mainly been my asthma. I was having asthma attacks from the snow mold, and then I had COVID, and I had asthma attacks from that. And then I got that under control, and like 2 days later, we started having the grass fires in here in Edmonton, Canada. And so my asthma was really bad all over again. And finally, I am starting to feel better. I'm still having some long COVID issues, but you know, I'm here. I'm kicking. So what I also was having problems with was creativity with wire wrapping. I've been having an issue with coming up with some new designs. So it's kind of like the well went dry. And so I've been creating in a different way. I've been starting to work with polymer clay, and I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. So I want to add a facet to my channel, and this is how I want to do it. I want to do a video on how I make something with polymer clay, and right now I'm working on my first video, and this is what was created in the video is these pretty beads, and they actually have a hole running this way. So you know I love working with hearts. So this is how I'm gonna do it, is I'm making a video with the clay, and they're very time consuming. So I'm still in the middle of my first one. I've been working on it over 6 hours already. It's a time consuming process. So I will show you how I make the beads, and you might just want to watch it out of enjoyment, or you might want to try it yourself. That's up to you. And I will be offering them for sale too, that you might want to try some of my beads. And I will get into that in a little bit later. And then after I make the beads, I'm going to do some videos following that where I show you how I'm incorporating my wire wrapping with the beads that I made. So it's going to be a stimulant for me for wire wrapping. And yes, sometimes I'll be having duplication with designs, but then it can give you an idea of how to use those beads, that if you want to buy those beads, then it'll show you how you may want to wrap them as well. So, and another asset might be, it might spark creativity with wire wrapping for me, and I might come up with some new designs. And I'm pretty much guaranteeing you that that's going to eventually happen. Don't know how long it'll take, excuse me, or how often, but that's the goal. So what's going to happen is it's going to be one video of clay, and then boom, 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 a bunch of wire wrapping videos. But I want to release those slowly. So what I'm going to do with those as soon as I upload them is they're going to also be early releases, and I'm going to put them into my joint subscription, which is the retired videos. So I'm not going to put that in the write-up of that joint subscription. It's just going to be a perk that you're going to get, because I don't know how the regularity of them that you're going to have or how often it's going to be, but as soon as I upload them, it's going to go there, and then they'll get time released into the public view. Because you gotta how YouTube works is if you go boom, boom, boom with your videos, only one of those gets a lot of views, so you have to space them out. I don't know why. With my years of experience on YouTube so far, that's what I have noticed happens. So they got to be a minimum of 3 days apart. And actually, I like it when they're a week apart. But I think if this works well for me, maybe I'll have a video out every 3 days. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Okay, so that's that part of it. Now, the next part of it is how I've been selling my pieces is on Facebook in auctions. And those auctions take up so much of my creativity's time. And also it was taking away from my designing time as well. And okay, so you guys know that I don't have any other job. My only income is my jewelry and anything I make with my jewelry. So I to get the balance, I need to pull back from the auctions on Facebook. So what I want to do is I'm opening up a brand new group on Facebook that is going to be for my YouTube viewers, that you can purchase the items I make. And it's going to be finished jewelry that I made with my beads. I'm also offering beads that you can create with. And I'm also going to offer some wire wrapping components that you may not be able to create for yourself, but if you get them from me, you'll be able to use them. So I'm hoping you'll be able to help me out and support me by checking out this group. And I'll have the link in the videos where, you know, I'm saying, hey, these things are I'm offering for sale, and you can check it out. And I will discuss the mailing there as well. And it would be done via PayPal, but with PayPal, you don't have to have a PayPal account to pay a PayPal invoice. You can use a credit card. They accept that. I don't get any of the info of your credit card. PayPal does it, so it's pretty secure there. And if you're not comfortable with that, I do have an Etsy account where I sell my PDF tutorials. I can make a specific listing for you. You just have to let me know, and we can, you know, I can treat that individually with you. So anyways, that's what I want to do. So it's going to be polymer clay, then some wire wrapping using those polymer clays, and the cycle continuing. And I'm hoping this makes everybody happy, and my channel will continue to grow. So thank you for joining me and understanding what I'm going through. And God bless. And we will see you in the next video. I'm hoping to release the next one tomorrow. Maybe even tonight. I know I just have a little bit more to do on it than the minor editing that I do. I'm not tech savvy, guys, so there's still long videos. But you can always make me talk faster by speeding up the videos and skip ahead. Okay? So love you guys. And we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.